Welcome back to Davil AI Matrix, where we explore digital boundaries. Today, we solve the headache of creating professional product demos. Creating tutorial videos usually requires expensive equipment, hours of editing, and perfect voiceovers, making the process exhausting for content creators everywhere. Imagine staring at silent screen recordings, wondering how to turn boring footage into engaging content without spending a fortune on editors. Enter Gulpo AI, a revolutionary tool that transforms raw, silent screen captures into polished, professional videos with just a few clicks. We are focusing on the powerful screen recording feature designed specifically to add professional narration and visual effects to silent clips. Let us demonstrate this capability using a practical example. We will create a tutorial for Canva, a popular design platform today. First, we record a simple workflow on Canva. At this stage, it is just a silent video with mouse movements only. We upload this raw file into the Gulpo interface. The upload speed is fast, preparing the footage for immediate AI processing. Next, we tell the AI what is happening. We input the topic Canva tutorial so the system understands the video context. Selecting the right tone is crucial. We choose a friendly and encouraging AI voice to make the tutorial feel very welcoming. To make the video dynamic, we enable visual guides. Gulpo can automatically add zoom effects to highlight specific buttons and actions. A unique feature here is the hand-drawn style. It overlays artistic sketches on the video, guiding the viewer's eye effectively. Once settings are configured, the AI analyzes every frame. It watches your mouse movements to determine exactly what needs to be explained. The system automatically generates a voiceover script. It translates your visual actions into spoken words, creating a narrative from total silence. You are not stuck with the auto-generated text. You can pause, review the script, and edit any sentence for better clarity. If the AI misinterprets a button press, simply correct the text. The system instantly updates the voiceover to match your changes. Now watch as the silent Canva clip transforms. The AI voiceover aligns perfectly with the mouse clicks, creating a seamless experience. Notice how the camera zooms in automatically when the mouse selects a template. This mimics the work of a professional editor. The final output looks like it took hours to produce, yet it was generated in minutes using only a raw recording. But Gulpo AI offers more than just standard voiceovers. Let us explore the advanced features that take customization to new levels. For personal branding, you might not want a generic AI voice. You can upload your own voice recording to the platform. This is where the magic happens. The AI analyzes your audio file and automatically adjusts the video speed to match it. This eliminates the tedious task of cutting video frames to fit narration. The visual flow adapts to your natural speaking pace. Whether you use the built-in AI narrator or your own voice, the synchronization engine ensures the final video is perfectly timed. Now let us look at the text-to-video capability. This feature allows you to create content from scratch without any existing footage. We simply type a prompt like, "Why is the sky blue?" The AI begins searching for relevant visuals and script information. Within moments, Gulpo assembles stock footage, generates animations, and writes a script to explain the scientific concept of blue skies. This tool is incredibly powerful for educators and marketers who need to explain complex topics quickly without filming their own material. Comparing the two modes, screen recording is best for software tutorials, while text-to-video excels at general storytelling and educational content creation. Before you jump in, it is important to understand the pricing structure, as not all features are available in the free tier. The advanced screen recording feature we demonstrated requires the business plan. This is an investment for serious creators and professional teams. Considering the cost of hiring video editors and voice artists, the subscription fee offers significant value for those producing frequent content. To recap, we took a silent screen recording, added AI narration, applied visual effects, and synced it all in minutes. Tools like Gulpo are redefining the content creation landscape, lowering the barrier to entry for producing high-quality instructional video guides. We highly recommend trying the free trial to see how the interface works before committing to the paid business subscription plan. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more insights into the latest AI video tools. Thank you for watching this deep dive. This has been a presentation by Davil AI Matrix. See you in the next video.